ZANU-PF's internal power struggles are spilling into an open, with the mounting evidence that the ruling party is rigging its own primary elections to sideline rivals and consolidate factional control ahead of crucial by-elections. Azvipere Mushe, panguva ino tichiona insiza North primary elections achinalifaiwa achisuspendiwa nokuda kwemassive electoral fraud in the rigging. Panguva ino tichiona each and every faction ingava VP Chiwenga kana mnangagwa iri involved mukuriga my-elections against each other. Zvaonekwa nevanhu vachibvunza another biggest question vachiti, what will happen if another faction lose? Sana pana mashoko abudajwa hapana proposal kuspare bola ikota on the bed kuti pina pana kwa Zimbabwe vachiti, the rigging we are saying is not just about winning a seat, it's about securing control of the party machinery, said a senior ZANU-PF insider. Every ward, every constituency has become a proxy war, and the internal contestation has overshadowed preparations for the June 28 by-elections, triggered by the death of Insiza North MP Farida Rubinga and the expulsion of KUTI East MP Benjamin Ganyiwa. While Ulanga was initially announced as the Insiza North candidate and Zvadhakwa Mashingise as the KUTI East nominee, the internal disputes cast doubt over both selections. The Zimbabwe Electoral Commission is already under fire for easy handling of the controversial 2023 elections is now under renewed scrutiny. Civil society groups and opposition parties fear that the culture of electoral fraud within ZANU-PF would spill over into national contest, with the ZEC again complicit in protecting ruling party interest. The Citizen Coalition for Change CCC and other opposition outfits are expected to contest the upcoming polls, but sustained arrest of their leaders, harassment of activists, and a closing democratic space suggests that they face an uphill battle. Thomas Baruda Panguva ino pamusoro mabattles ari kunoconsider embroidering in its own party, the ruling party ZANU-PF. Panguva ino vanhu vachiti ichiri nefuture race battle iri. Now comment section medu mafunguro enyu, subscribe or like and turn on the bell icon.